Write-only memory user guide. Launch Flexxon tool and select on Detect card. To check on current status, click on Check Security Status. If no password is set beforehand, the status will show the following notification. Click on Set Password to input your desired password. After setting the card successfully, unplug and reinsert it back. After reinserting the card, the read-only mode is activated. All stored data enable access for reading only. None can be changed, delete or overwrite from the stored data. To unlock the card, click on Authentication and key in the correct password. The card will turn into normal mode with the correct password. With the correct password, it will enable write access.